Is PPT visible? First PPT topic.
Yes, sir.
Full screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So, as we have seen in earlier lecture, the theory of 78XX and 79XX, which is a fixed voltage regulator. The maximum output current is 1 ampere. Output voltage is dependent on last two digit of which replace XX. Suppose it is 0.5, so 5 volt fixed regulator. We have seen how this regulator can be used as current source, and if suppose we want to convert this regulator into variable voltage regulator, what is the schematic for that? And we have seen the limitation again. We can design variable voltage regulator using 78 or 79 series, but it will be above rated value. Suppose the number is say 7805, then we may have variable regulator above 5 volt, that is 5 volt to 12 volt, 5 volt to 15 volt likewise, but we cannot have variable regulator below 5 volt. So we have seen, today we will see the numerical on 78 and 79 series, of course from solved example from Ramakant Gaikwad, as well as the questions from earlier university paper. After finishing that, we will see the general purpose voltage regulator IC, that is LM317, which is positive, configurable, fixed as well as variable voltage regulator, which can be configured into two mode that will be explained in next PPTs. So I move to the next PPT, and the numerical on fixed voltage regulator will see. So fixed voltage regulator means it is of course 7879 series. So here the numerical is design a constant current source using IC 7805 to source current variation from 100 milliampere to 200 milliampere to the load variation of 10 ohm to 30 ohm. So here this is the diagram of current source using 7805 IC, wherein it is shown that whatever is the current IL passing through the load IRL, that will be varying from 100 milliampere to 200 milliampere, and of course this load is variable, RL is variable, and that is of 10 ohm to 30 ohm. Now what is the load current? We know the load current is passing into the load resistance RL, which is a combination of current coming from the output terminal of IC, that is referred as IR, and current coming from the ground terminal of the IC, that is referred as quiescent current IQ. Therefore, the load current, minimum load current is equal to IR plus IQ, that we have seen in earlier lecture, where IQ is the quiescent current, which is very less, that is 4.2 milliampere. Of course, manufacturer has designed this IC so that IQ will be 4.2 milliampere only. So therefore, your load current, minimum load current will be equal to, I have changed IR in terms of voltage and resistance. This is the IR which is passing through resistance R, which is nothing but voltage across R. So voltage across R is VR divided by resistance R is nothing but IR plus IQ. Since minimum load current IL mean कितना दिया है in problem statement, it is 100 milliampere only, this one. So it is 100 milliampere. Therefore, VR by R is equal to 100 milliampere, because VR by R is nothing but the load current, as the quiescent current is very less compared to the load current. Quiescent current is only 4.2 milliampere, which we can say in front of 100 milliampere it is only 4%, and it is neglected here. Also we know what is VR, output of the regulator, it is fixed, as the number is 7805, 05 means 5 volt fixed output. Therefore VR is 5, so fixed output voltage. So the value of R can be calculated by R is equal to VR, that is 5 volt, divided by IL mean, that is 100 ohm, 100 milliampere. Therefore, the value of R will be 50 ohm. Moving to the next solution, because we have calculated it for minimum value of load current, that is for 100 milliampere, and it is found that the resistance R value is 50 ohm. Then we'll go for the 200 milliampere load current. So IL max is again IR plus IQ, where IQ is quiescent current 4.2 milliampere, quiescent current, which is very less compared to 200 milliampere, near about 2% of 200. Then IL max will be VR by R, because VR is the voltage developed across R divided by current passing through R, so plus IQ. As the IQ is neglected here, IQ is very less than IL, and IL max is 200 milliampere. We have VR by R is 200 milliampere. Very simple, it is just the Ohm's law. And we know VR is 5 volt as the fixed voltage regulator 7805. Therefore, calculating value of R is equal to 5 divided by 200 milliampere, that is nothing but 25 ohm. So, for two values of current, that is 100 milliampere and 200 milliampere, this is the range of current which is to be passed through resistance RL, and for that we got 50 ohm and 25 ohm respectively. So here, to deliver the current in the range of 100 milliampere to 200 milliampere, we have to choose R is equal to 25 ohm to 50 ohm. So we may have variable resistance R, so that it will deliver the current in the range of 100 milliampere to 200 milliampere. We have to keep in mind that if the resistance falls below 25 ohm, then of course current will increase. So therefore, what we can do, instead of R, we may have fixed resistance of 25 ohm and one potentiometer of 25 ohm. So if the potentiometer comes to minimum, that is 0, still there will be fixed resistance present in place of R. So this is how we can have the constant current source using 7805. Now another one is, we have designed what R, which should be potentiometer plus 25 ohm resistance, so it can be passing current 100 milliampere to 200 milliampere, neglecting current IQ in both the cases. What is the maximum output that can be generated by this IC? So that VO max can be calculated at IL max, because whenever IL max is passing here into the RL, there will be maximum voltage drop across RL, plus 5 volt which is across R will be the maximum voltage. So maximum load current multiplied by load resistance plus VR will be your maximum output voltage. So maximum load current is 200 milliampere, maximum value of load is 30 ohm, so 30 ohm plus 5 volt, so it comes 11 volt. So this is the maximum voltage that can be developed across this IC using these resistances. And what is the minimum input required? That we know minimum input to 7879 series is maximum output plus dropout voltage, which is 2 volt. Here V in minus V out, that is called dropout voltage, is 2 volt. Therefore minimum input voltage is 11 plus 2, that will be 13 volt. In this way you can solve the current source problem, and it has a weightage of 6 to 7 marks into university exam, not yet asked into any of the paper. Then we'll move to the university paper question. It is the question 2A, which is asked in summer 2018, very first paper, of 7 marks. Using 7805 voltage regulator IC, design a constant current source that will deliver 200 milliampere current to 47 ohm load. Assume the dropout voltage of regulator to be 2 volt. If it is this statement suppose is not given, still you have to assume dropout voltage equal to 2 volt, because it is the characteristic of 78 and 79 series, that is V in minus V out should be minimum 2 volt. Maximum you can take more than 2 volt, but 2 volt is the dropout standard dropout voltage. What is the given data? In given data, value of load resistance is given, which is of course 47 ohm, and current, which is IL, it is also given, that is 200 milliampere. Again moving to the same concept, that is load current is the addition of IR plus IQ. So load current is IR plus IQ. IR is current coming from output terminal of the IC. IQ is current coming from the ground terminal of IC, which is quiescent current, which is 4.2 milliampere, which is very less. Therefore, we may write IL is equal to VR by R plus IQ. Since IL is 200 milliampere and very greater compared to IQ, we may write VR upon R is equal to 200 milliamp. Also, VR is equal to 5 volt, because the IC is 7805 fixed output at the output terminal of 7805. So the value of R can be of course 5 volt divided by 200 milliampere, it comes 25 ohm. And again minimum and maximum output we have to calculate. Therefore, in the same problem, the maximum output voltage is VO max is equal to IL, एक ही करंट दिया है, रेंज दिया नहीं है, so it is IL 200 milliampere. RL is 47 ohm plus VR is 5 volt for this IC. Putting the values, VO max will be 14.4 volt, and the minimum voltage to operate this IC required is V in minimum is VO max plus dropout voltage, which is 2 volt. So V in minimum is 16.4 volt. So here after solving these much steps, you will get 7 marks for this question. Again, some theory questions are asked in winter 2019 for 7 marks. What is the voltage regulator? So this theory is already covered in very first lecture of voltage regulator. You may quote an example of basic voltage regulator, their components like error amplifier, series pass transistor, feedback network, reference, and so on. Draw and explain the dual tracking IC regulator. We have seen this theory in previous lecture, last but one slide, where we have both the ICs together. We had that 7815 and 7915 to develop dual power supply, that is plus 15 and minus 15, with certain protection diodes, short circuit protection diodes, D1, D2, D3 and D4, that you have to write here to get 7 out of 7. Another theory question asked in winter 2018, 6 marks. I'm not providing solution for this because already we went through the theory of these points. That's why I am just putting questions here. Question 1b, what is the voltage regulator? Same question is asked, you can see here. And draw and explain dual tracking regulator using IC 78XX, 79XX. So these both questions are same. One is for 7 marks, in another paper it is asked for 6 marks. You have to so prepare a theory related to 78 and 79 so that you can say get the marks. Next is, so here our fixed voltage regulator is over. Related questionnaire from 3 university papers I have shown to you. Numerical is solved, theory you have to prepare it. Next IC is PPT visible to all? Yes. Is PPT
Yes,
visible?
sir.
Yes,
Full,
sir.
full screen visibility?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So we are moving
Yes,
to
sir.
any question till now? Any question on say IC LM78 and 79 series?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you. So next topic is 3-terminal adjustable voltage regulator. जो हमने पहले देखा that was fixed voltage regulator. Now it is adjustable voltage regulator, and we have IC LM317 in your syllabus. This is the positive regulator IC, where we can have output voltage starting from 1.2 volt up to 37 volt is the output range. You can design this for any variable range between 1.2 to 37 volt, or you may use this IC to obtain fixed voltage of any voltage within this range, that is 1.2 to 37. And the current rating, minimum current supplied by this IC is 0.1 ampere, that is nothing but 100 milliampere, and it can provide up to 1.5 ampere. So you can see the current range of this IC is greater than 7879 series, because 78 and 79 has what 1 ampere current rating. Here it is providing you 1.5 ampere current rating. There are 3 terminals named V out, V in, and one another terminal is adjustment. I adjust, not the ground. Following packages are available in this IC. Nobody will ask into the examination, of course. This is TO3 steel package. It is metal can package. And TO39 metal can package is available. Here it is like say power transistor. You can see adjustment. If you see in this way, this first terminal is the adjustment terminal. Second terminal is input terminal V in, and body itself is the output terminal. Its body is metallic, is the output. Another is type of hat, like the first terminal which is near to notch is an input terminal. Second terminal near to terminal number 1 is adjustment, and third terminal which is far away from notch is the output terminal, and case is the metallic. Case is the output, body is the output. And another is the plastic package. In the plastic package, we have front view of this. So very first terminal is adjustment terminal, middle terminal is output terminal, and the last terminal, that is third terminal, is the input terminal. So this is also 3 terminal IC. Don't get confused between 78 and 79 and LM317. Pin configurations are different. If you don't remember pin while writing an answer or solving the numerical, please remember related labels, that is first is adjustment, second is output, third is input. Now 3 terminal adjustable voltage regulator configuration. LM317 is an adjustable voltage regulator, requires 2 external components, that is resistor, to set the output voltage. LM317 develops nominal V reference of 1.25 volt, where if you check, I am highlighting, if you check voltage between these 2 terminals, nothing but output terminal and adjustment terminal, there is fixed voltage across it, that is 1.25. It is a constant at any condition. So this V reference is developed across V out and adjustment. Here looking at the diagram, it is developed across resistance R1, which is of 240 ohm, which is recommended by the manufacturer. 240 ohm lena hai, because to provide proper or say good load and line regulation to the load. So 1.25 volt is developed across V out and adjustment, and which is a drop across R1. This resistance is always referred as R1. And another resistance you can see, R2, is connected in between adjustment terminal and the ground. This is the simple configuration of LM317. It will not change its configuration. Only two resistance. R1 is in between Vout and adjustment, and R2 is in between adjustment and the ground. Now we know that, I'll erase the screen first, highlighter. Okay, we know that 1.2 volt V reference is across this resistance R1. So this is fixed. So of course we want what? We want range of output starting from 1.2 volt to 37 volt, that can be adjusted by choosing proper value of resistance R2. So R2 decides what will be the output voltage of this IC. Moving ahead, since the voltage is constant, the current I1 is also constant for given value of R1. Of course, this V reference developed across R1 is 1.25 volt. Resistance is fixed, that is 240 ohm. So current passing through this resistance referred as I1 is also constant. Because R1 sets current, it is called current set resistor, or it is also called program resistance. R1 called current set or program resistor. I adjust is very small in this IC also. It is 100 microampere only, and it is constant with line and load change. If there is change in V in, still this I adjust remain 100 microampere, it does not change. If there is change in load variation है, still the I adjustment current जो है, which is coming from I adjust pin, that remains constant, which is 100 microampere. Moving to the output formula of this IC, R1 is current I1 or current set resistor. As I said, the voltage across R1 remains constant, that is 1.25 volt. The voltage, output voltage, is decided by resistance R2. Therefore, resistance R2 is called output voltage set resistor. It sets the output voltage. And IADG is adjustment pin current. So writing the equation for output, output is the voltage across load resistance RL, which is the addition of voltage across R1 and voltage across R2. We know voltage across R1 is a function of current passing through. Yes? Anybody has any question? Okay. So here current I1 this and R1 forms voltage across resistance R1 plus voltage across resistance R2 will be R2 into, there are two current passing into R2, one is I adjust and another one is I1. Both the current are passing into the R2. So R2 into I1 plus I adjust, where I1 is what? I1 is V reference, which is 1.25 volt divided by R1. Therefore, your output formula separating this term R1 R2 alag alag kar diye, then we get output voltage is equal to V reference, which is 1.25 volt, multiply by in bracket 1 plus R2 by R1, where R2 is voltage set resistance, R1 is current set resistance, plus I adjust into R2. Moving to the next PPT. We know V reference is 1.25 volt, which is constant. R1 is 240 ohm, usually to achieve good load regulation. I adjust is 100 microampere, very small, and causes very small or negligible voltage drop across R2. Therefore, you can see whatever the term here R2 into I adjust, it may be neglected in certain case if it is not mentioned into the problem. It is mentioned, then you have to use that term. So finally, in shortcut, your output formula VO will be equal to 1.25 volt, that is V reference, multiplied by 1 plus R2 by R1. So by this formula, you can design required output voltage of IC LM317. Moving to the next part, you can see in previous PPT there are no capacitors used here, as we are saying power supply. There are only resistances used, that is R1 and R2. There is no capacitor used. So manufacturer says that if this IC is situated or assembled near to the power supply, unregulated power supply, then no need of capacitor here in this circuit. But if you are locating this IC or voltage regulator far away from the power supply, then we need capacitors here. Normally, no capacitors are needed unless 317 is situated far from power supply. And if it is situated far from power supply, we need one output capacitor C2 and we need one more capacitor C1, C3 here. And C1 must be here, diagram में से निकल गया है शायद. C1 must be into the input. I am drawing here. This is C1. So what is C1? C1 is the bypass capacitor. C2 is to improve the transient response, which may be optional, and C3 is to obtain very high ripple rejection ratio. This is only required whenever this IC is situated far away from the unregulated power supply, which is nothing but V in, else it is not needed. And there is no, say, role of C1, C2 or C3 in designing output voltage range. Then quickly the numerical on LM317. These are very easy topic, 78 and 79 and LM317. I started from that. Later on transistorized voltage regulator will be somewhat difficult. So here question 1A, as it is asked in winter 2018 for 17 marks, winter 2019 for 7 marks. एक वर्ड भी चेंज नहीं किया है पेपर सेटर ने. Design an adjustable voltage regulator using IC LM317 to satisfy following specification. Specifications are output voltage 5 volt to 12 volt. So variable positive voltage regulator बनाना है जो कि आपको 5 volt to 12 volt output देगा. Output current is 1 amp. Output current is 1 amp. So we'll have solution. Configuration will be same. Unregulated power supply is connected to input. Regulated power supply is the output connected to the load. Output and I adjust terminal has one resistance R1, recommended 240 ohm resistance, which develops V reference of 1.25 across it. I1 is passing through R1 and current I adjust as well as I1 is passing through resistance R2, which is located in I adjust and the ground. So this configuration will never change. Formula never change, only one formula here. So solving for that, we'll solve one by one because voltage range is 5 volt to 12 volt. So we know that V reference is 1.25 volt constant. R1 is 240 ohm, assume usually to achieve good load regulation. अब please ये ध्यान में रखिए 240 ohm. I adjust 100 microampere, very small and negligible, causes very small voltage across resistance R2. Therefore, V0 will be equal to V reference into 1 plus R2 by R1 plus I adjust into R2. You may neglect or may use, no worry about that. So here putting the value, output voltage initial range is 5, 1.25 into 1 plus R2 by that R1, that is 240 ohm plus 100 microampere into R2. Calculating value of R2, it comes 0.71 kilo ohm. Another one similar for calculating value of resistance R2 for output voltage 12 volt, putting into the formula 12 volt equal to 1.25 into 1 plus R2 by 240 plus 100 into R2, and value of R2 comes 2.01 kilo ohm. Means if I vary the voltage, sorry, the resistance R2 between 0.71 kilo ohm to 2 kilo ohm, it will provide you the range 5 volt to 12 volt. So to obtain the output voltage range 5 volt to 12 volt, we need to vary R2 from 0.7 K to 2 kilo ohm respectively. So you can easily see that the resistance should not go below 0.7 kilo ohm. If it is below 0.7 kilo ohm, voltage will drop below 5 volt. So what we can do, instead of R2, we may have one fixed volt resistance of 700 ohm, and along with that we may have potentiometer which varies for this range 0.7 to 2K. It is around 1.3K. You may have 1.5K pot. To get 1 ampere current, choose TO3 metal can package of 20 watt power dissipation. We assume that regulator is close to power supply, therefore no need of capacitors here. So these two lines are very important after design, because you have to mention which package you are using. If you see into the Ramakant Gaikwad, you will have all the ranges for different LM317 series and their current rating as well as voltage rating. So TO03 pack of 20 watt can be used to supply 1 ampere current. There is no equation for current 1 ampere because current is passing to the load. So this is all about the university question paper, which was repeated in 2018 7 marks and 2019 winter 7 marks. Moving to the next numerical, mostly there are numerical on 723, sorry, LM317. Question 1A asked in summer 2018. What is the question? Design an adjustable voltage regulator using our same IC LM317 to meet following specification. Output 9 volt to 12 volt and output current is 1 amp. You can see paper setter has only changed this number. Initially it was 5 volt to 12 volt. It is now 9 volt to 12 volt. So almost we can say in all three papers LM317 is asked in similar way. There is no another way to ask. Formula will never change, diagram will never change. It is say marks that are in your hand. So we know that V reference is 1.2 volt to achieve good load regulation. I adjust is 100 microampere, causes small or very negligible voltage drop across R2. Then calculating for V0 is equal to 9 volt, putting the value of V0 9 volt here, V reference here 1.25 volt into 1 plus R2 by R1 into 100 into R2, 100 microampere into R2. R2 comes 1.46 kilo ohm for 9 volt. Similarly, if you go for the 12 volt, because range is 9 volt to 12 volt, so it will be similar. So for 12 volt, putting the values, it comes what? 2 kilo ohm. So initially it is 1.46 means around 1.5K and 2K. So if you vary the resistance R2, which is placed in adjustment and ground terminal between 1.5K to 2K, then you will get variable voltage range of 9 volt to, I have copy pasted this must be 9 volt. Okay, obtain the output voltage of 9 volt to 12 volt, and we need what? R2. What was the previous value? It is 1.46K. I have not edited this, so it is 1.46K to 2.01K respectively. So here, by using of course one fixed resistance of say 1.4K or 1.5K and one variable resistance to get range of 9 volt to 12 volt of say only 500 ohm is the difference between 2K and 1.5K. So it is of 500 ohm, or say we can say 0.5K. So 500 ohm is the potentiometer, which will vary from 9 volt to 12 volt, and 1.4K or 1.5K, which will not allow this potentiometer to go to 0. So range will be 1.46 to 2K, will provide you 9 volt to 12 volt. To get 1 ampere current rating, we use TO3 pack, which is of 20 watt power dissipation. We assume that regulator is close to the power supply, so there is no need of capacitor. If somebody mentioned into the problem statement that is LM317 is located away from power supply, then you have to remember the values of capacitor which are recommended by the manufacturer. That is, this C2 will be 1 microfarad tantalum, C3 will be 10 microfarad ceramic, and here is C1, which will be again in the range of up to 1 microampere. So you have to remember these values if the paper setter asks, and you have to put these three capacitances into the network if it is specifically asked into the examination. So here we solved all three problems, came into all three papers, summer winter 18 and winter 19, and this is the simplest topic into this unit. Another questions, this I have already mentioned. Here I mentioned because it is repeated twice. Another one is, here is one question asked in summer 18 for 7 marks, question 2b. I have not provided solution. I will tell you why. Using suitable example, explain design procedure to build an adjustable positive voltage regulator using IC LM317. हमने जो 3 न्यूमेरिकल देखे हैं उसमें से ही कोई एग्जाम्पल पिकअप करके यू मे एक्सप्लेन दिस. And meanwhile, of course, you have to mention a sort of theory like why R1 is 240, why what is R2. R1 is current set resistor, R2 is voltage set resistor. Likewise, what is V reference. Some point wise theory is to be mentioned here, and you have to solve one numerical of your choice to provide suitable example. So that's why I have not provided any solution here. You may pick any of above. And another question is asked, which is in summer 2018 for only 4 marks, because question is very, say, simple. What are the advantage of adjustable voltage regulator over fixed voltage regulator? That's it. फिक्स वोल्टेज रेगुलेटर और वेरिएबल वोल्टेज रेगुलेटर को आपको एक्सप्लेन करना है. वेरिएबल रेगुलेटर कहाँ कहाँ यूज होते हैं, फिक्स वोल्टेज रेगुलेटर कहाँ कहाँ यूज होते हैं. You have to advantages, explain the advantages of those. So this was related to LM317 adjustable, variable or fixed voltage regulator IC. We have finished 2 regulator ICs, that is 7879 fixed voltage regulator, then adjustable LM317. Then another IC is there in your syllabus is LM723, which is low current, precise and variable range positive voltage regulator, which can provide you the voltage range in between 7 volt to 37 volt output with very small current around 150 milliampere only, and which can be configured into 2 ranges, that is 2 modes, that is low voltage regulator using 723, 2 volt to 7 volt only. Another one is high voltage regulator using 723, that is 7 volt to 37 volt regulator. There are so many limitations of these ICs, that is 78 and 79 and 317, like short circuit protection, then uh, current limiting protection, these are not covered or manufactured or inbuilt into this IC. But in 723 we may have an external component to limit the output current to certain extent, and by using one bypass transistor we may enhance the current of 723 IC, which will be learned in next lecture. And लास्ट टॉपिक इन दिस यूनिट विल बी ट्रांजिस्टराइज वोल्टेज रेगुलेटर, जो कि पहले बताया है यूनिट में, बट वी हैव स्टार्टेड इन रैंडम मैनर एंड वी विल कवर ट्रांजिस्टराइज वोल्टेज रेगुलेटर at the last of this unit. So in next lecture I will be starting new IC, that is LM723 voltage regulator, adjustable variable voltage regulator IC. Thank you very much. If you have any question related, you may ask. Yes, you may ask any question. I will upload PDF for this PPT. I am waiting for questions from your side, if any. Yes, any question from your side?